So we start out today's video with this long to short transformation. So the stylist cuts the hair into a bob, goes in and adds some color. Oh, whoa, wow. Loving this red bob makeover. Beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some amazing hair transformations, hairstyle ideas, options, and styles that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of doing something new and different with your hair, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have someone rocking out a gorgeous tousled bob style. Loving the color on this. It's like a really pretty brunette blonde, and yes, that is a thing. Such a gorgeous tousled texture she has within this bob. Beautiful. Next up, we have someone else rocking a bob style. Looks like she's in for a cut refresh. Wow. Oh, this pixie is absolutely breathtaking. I really like the texture and shape with this one. That is just gorgeous. And then we have a hair transformation from Philip Wolf and Alfredo Lewis, two of my favorite hairstylists, by the way. Looks like they're kind of doing like a shaggy bob style here. Adding in some color. I was thinking she was gonna go copper. Oh, she's getting hair extensions. This is not where I saw this transformation going at all. So he's adding in some layers to frame out the face. Wow. Beautiful. I really like the pop of blonde that mixed in with the darker blonde. That is really pretty. So moving on to the next hair transformation. It's like the stylist is putting in some layers. Wow, her hair is so full of body. so volumized. And the layers look amazing. So next up we see someone with shoulder length hair. Oh, she did a nice little shaggy cut with some layers. Beautiful. And I think her salt and pepper color just looks great with this style. So then we move on to the next one. She's got some really pretty ginger colored hair here. So the stylist is going in and adding some color. Wonder what she's gonna get. It looks like she added a bit of blonde. Wow. So she kind of did like an ombre. That was absolutely breathtaking. All right, you guys, I hope you did enjoy all these hairstyle ideas featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.